So this is the window, guys. So every day I open this one, I put the curtain like this, guys, para yung ilaw ay papasok for their food, photosynthesis. Yeah, because they need light. Everyone, good morning. Today, guys, is 19th October 2020, guys. Yes, Haley is at school. My husband is working at home. Yes, darling. Shopkins. Why are you Shopkins, darling? But no need to bring your Shopkins because we are going out. Yeah? Yes, guys. So we are going out, guys. We are going to buy important things, guys, for the dog and 2 boxes, guys, for our clothes because I'm going to keep na, guys, yung mga summer clothes, especially for the kids. Yes. So let's go. Hello, guys. So lalabas tayo. Yeah, we are going to buy something, as I've said. Yeah, so Lakota is behind. Hi. Yes. I didn't put my seatbelt yet, guys, because I have to close the gate. Yes, there's no car. Hello, guys. So we just arrived home, guys. I couldn't take video at the bazaar because Lakota was scared with their Halloween displays. So I carried her all the time and I asked help from the sales ladies or shop assistant to help me. Oh my gosh. But anyway, guys, we're home and I want to show you all the things that we bought. Few things only, guys. Guys, so these are the things we bought. This is a very big container box, guys. Yeah, so I will put all our summer clothes here and hopefully it fits. And also I bought this soil, guys, because I'm going to plant something or replant my plants. Yes. And I also bought these two packet of this, guys, for our dog, empapadores they call it, guys. Yes, and this is non-toxic, it's recyclable and antibacteria. Yes, guys, so ganyan siya, guys, because Russell, yeah, when he sleeps sometimes he poop and peed, so he goes here and pee, guys. Yeah, para hindi as in na wet ang sahig. Okay, and I also bought these pink plant vase, guys. Yeah, for my plants. And I bought 2 of these, guys, kasi I will plant, as I've said, it's 24. Yes, dalawa. So itong dalawa, guys, na ito. Yeah. And bumili din ako ng ganito, guys, para hindi mabasa yung sahig. Ganyan. Yes. And also, I have 3 big ones, guys. Kaya, bumili ako ng ganito, guys, kasi I put my plants in the classroom. Yes, so nandoon, guys, yung malunggay. And I also planted another taro. Yes, guys, kasi yung taro ko noon naiwan sa labas nung summer vacation kasi wala kami ng ilang araw dito sa bahay. Kaya ayun, na dry, guys, yung leaves niya hanggang namatay na, guys. So bumili ako the other day ng taro root, and okay naman siya, guys. Kaya iplinan ko na, nagsilabasan na yung mga ugat. Kaya itinanim ko na. So itinanim ko sa malaking pot, guys. Kaya bumili ako ng ganito para hindi mabasa yung sahig every time na mag water ako, every time na diligan ko. So, bali tatlo guys because I have 3 and I also have one big one. Yung isa naman na malaki, doon ko itinanim yung sweet potato ko guys. Bali dalawang sweet potato ang itinanim ko and hopefully okay sila. Yung isa malaki na ang tubo. I will show you guys later. Yes, sana nga guys maging okay. Yeah, kasi winter na dito sa Spain. Kaya dito na sa loob ng bahay yung mga plants, guys. So, yan guys. And yeah, I forgot to show you these two. These are wild fruits. No, red fruits, guys. Itong mga ito. And these are for the house. Parang freshener siya, guys. Yes. Also, guys, I cook nilagang baka, guys. Yeah. So, yan ang aming ulam for today. Kain tayo. So, this is the soup, guys. And this is the vegetable and the meat. And this is pasta, guys. And yung sauce niya is mushroom sauce. It's so delicious. Kain tayo, everyone. Guys, and this one guys I planted yesterday. This is taro root. Yes, hopefully tutubo siya. And look guys, this is my malunggay. Oh my gosh, look at my malunggay. I really want to save my malunggay guys, so that is why I put it here. Yes. Oh my god, ay, parang natumba. Oh my God, hindi naman sana. Yes, ala. Siya guys, namatay yung, niya, oh, baby niya. Dito din, oh, bakit kaya namatay? Yes guys, so, ito ang aking malunggay and hopefully, tutubo pa yan siya. Lalaki pa yan siya guys. And ito naman guys, may tubo itong, natin guys. Sweet potato natin, yan. Yes. Tumubo siya outside. Saka ko siya inilagay dito. And hopefully guys, yun nga, tutubo siya. Yes. So, dito natin ilagay guys, yung mga binili natin kaninang umaga. These ones, diba tatlo sila? Very old na guys, very old na. But they are still okay. Yes. So, ilagay natin itong mga ito guys. Tapos, yung malaki, yan, ito naman. Yes, this is the biggest. So, ayan guys, nakalagay na yung plate niya. Yes, so ayan. So, this is the window guys. So, every day I open this one, I put the curtain like this guys, para yung ilaw ay papasok for their food, photosynthesis. Yeah, because they need light.